What's the biggest period myth out there? Period pain, PMS, irregular or missing periods are normal. This is not true. They are common, but they're not normal. And this is a good thing because that means there is something you can do about it. Period truth is that all the signs and symptoms you have during your period, including pain, PMS, and irregular cycles, are signs that something is wrong, and you can learn to interpret what those signs are and what they mean for you. I'm going to be talking about this more at Burpham Wellfest. I'm also going to be giving a talk about how the thyroid is so intricately connected to the menstrual cycle. And that talk is at 10:30 a.m. I'm also going to be giving a mini womb massage, learn how to massage your womb introduction at 1:20. Everything is free, you just need to book a ticket in advance if you can. It's Burpham Wellfest on the 17th of July at Sutherland Memorial Park in Guildford. I look forward to seeing you there.